Did you know that in the US, all the high level nuclear waste ever produced could fit inside a single football field? High level waste is the really dangerous stuff, like from The Simpsons, very radioactive and stays hazardous for thousands of years. But here's what's surprising it only makes up about 3% of all nuclear waste. The other 97% is low level waste that we'll discuss in another video, which is still super important to manage, but far less dangerous. So, what happens to the scary stuff, the spent fuel rods? Right now, there are about 70 temporary storage sites across the US. And here's how it works. After the fuel is used up at the nuclear power plant, it's first stored in cooling pools. Then it's transferred to steel lined containers. And those containers are kept on site or buried very shallow underground. But here's the problem that's a temporary solution, as in it can only stay there for a few decades out of the thousands of years it will take to fully decay. And here's the bigger problem the world has never permanently stored nuclear waste, ever. The leading idea is something called deep geological repositories, which means burying waste at thousands of feet underground at depths similar to oil wells. And this is the most realistic option, but no country has actually finished building one yet. Finland is expected to be the first opening its site in the next year or so, but other countries like the US have been stuck in political battle since 2002. Yucca Mountain in Nevada is the proposed site that no one can agree on, and it's gone back and forth between presidents. People have suggested other ideas like launching waste into space, dropping it into ocean trenches, or using lasers to shorten the decay time. But all of these have huge risks and create new problems. One promising idea, though, is recycling nuclear waste in these new types of reactors so we could reduce the need for storage. But for now, most storage is stored above ground temporarily. The world's first permanent site is just about to open, and the debate about what to do with it is far from over.